It's used by tens of thousands of South Australians every day. And tonight there are serious concerns about the state of the Sturt Highway. Residents north of Adelaide have joined Truckies to plead for urgent repairs, claiming lives are at risk.
A driver's view of the emergency response to a Sturt Highway near Miss.
Very worried. I'm just waiting for a fatality to happen.
Michelle Smith says it was her uncle and auntie who'd been towing this caravan when the unsafe road service caused it to flip.
They hit the dips just up the road at Daviston and the car actually did a 180 and ended up facing the other way. The caravan rolled on its side. They were very lucky to get out of it alive.
Those who use the Sturt Highway say it's too common and are starting a petition calling on the state government to repair the road from Gawler to Greenock. They say potholes, divots and undulations have been getting worse over the past 12 months and are causing accidents.
People's lives are at risk travelling on this road.
Can have disastrous effects.
Truckies say the hazards are not only dangerous but costly.
It's taking a massive toll on our vehicles. The cost to business is massive.
Locals say they know which sections of the road to dodge but fear for the safety of interstate drivers, unaware of deteriorating and challenging conditions.
Quite literally tens of thousands of trucks and motorists come through each and every day, and right now it feels a little bit like a roller coaster.
The state government says work is underway to fix the problems.
In the meantime, they're dropping the speed limit to make that particularly undulating section much safer.
The minister hopes the works will be finished by October. Bianca Wiley, 9 News.